What we're doing today is running coil material through the Spartanic heat system. What it's doing is reading a crucial, that's an angle line. It can be a line or a line angle.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a fiber optic that's mounted in the tooling that will actually adjust the machine in the Y axis as it's running. So when I'm running this, you'll see this knob here move in and out.
So this is just an XY unit, not
Correct.
theta.
Correct.
Now, you were saying that theta would be a little more ideal for running this,
Correct.
and but you were able to get this operational, and it would work.
It would work. You're limited to, your tolerance on it isn't as good with just the XY versus it is with the XY and theta.
Mm-hmm.
The XY theta machine is a lot smarter too
Right.
than the Y axis.
In your opinion, could this work? With they're running roll-to-roll press over there and taking those rolls and putting it on this machine.
Yes, the artwork's correct.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on what kind of die cut tolerance they have to graphics.
Sure. Okay. You want to strike this thing up and so let's see us run it here real quick?
Yep, here it goes.
So, do you have to keep hitting the foot pedal, or will it just run continuous, Steve?
It'll keep running continuous until it comes up with an error. Like right now it's stopped. It says on the screen it's telling you what's wrong with it.
Sure.
It didn't read a mark. So you can either hit punch or advance.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Nice. Well, that works really well. All right.
You
Well,
can run it a lot faster, but due to what material you're running. And I also suggest if you're going to be running coil material that the tool is nicked. We have little, so the parts stay in the strip or they're going to be falling all
did you
over.
nick that?
This die was nicked.
Nicked already?
Right.
Okay, and I see that the artwork is a little messed up on this one. And why is that?
It wasn't centered on the material.
So that's
Correctly.
something that you can lock on for them of where they should, how they should create their art, and the minimum and maximum tolerances.
Right.
Okay. All right. Well, that's something we can get at a later date. Well, it looks like you have succeeded in getting this to work. So
register perfect.
excellent, excellent. Now, one other thing on here is that you are utilizing this plate here, which we'll have to have another one made.
Correct. The shank size on this press is only capable of a 1/2-inch shank.
Okay.
So if you make a tool without a shank, you can tie it in with this
Mm-hmm.
plate.
Steve, how many tons is this machine?
Offhand,
20 maybe?
20 ton.
And can you give me some idea of what size die you could run in this then?
Well, you're limited to the throat size on the machine.
Okay.
So, you can run as long as the die isn't hitting the back of the press, it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
The bolster size, I guess that.
What about metals?
Metals, yeah.
Okay. And does this also have the same overload plate in here that ours had?
Yep.
Okay, so that's something we should probably verify if we have an extra one then.
Lollipop.
Okay. All right. Well, it looks like this is ready to go. So thanks a lot, Steve.
No, it doesn't have the lollipop.
No?
in there. No.
Okay. Well, they'll test it out then.